Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Rubia. 2 points by Rubia. Dixon. Si Tam. Gonzalez. Misses shot. Rebound by Yun. Mike Sina. 7. Pass to Tam. Tam to Derrigue. No. O'Malley. O'Malley to Dixon. To Mike. 3. Bang bang by Mike Sina. Portea with the ball. Portea to Yun. Yun for 3. Bang bang by Yun. 5 to 3. O'Malley. Gavin O'Malley. Pass to Tam. Tam. Let's go. Si Tam. Missed the shot. Rubia. Missed the shot. Offensive. No, rebound by Tam. Tam to Shannon. Turnover by Mike 7. Yun to San. Pass to Rubia. To Yun. Yun. Pass to San. To Gonzalez. Basket by Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Number 2, Gonzalez. Yeah. 7-3. Dixon. To Tam. Tam. 2 points. Portea. Portea. Pass. Number 7. Free throw shot by Gonzalez. First try. Basket. Basket by Gonzalez. 9-5. Top man certified up by 4 points. Dixon with the ball. Dixon naghahanap ng kakampi. To O'Malley. O'Malley. To Tam. Missed the shot. Rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez. To Yun. Yun. To San. San. To Rubia. To Gonzalez. To Yun. Missed the shot. Offensive rebound by Rubia. Rubia to Portea. Portea. Omadako. Pass to Yun. Bang bang. Shoot na yan by Yun. 12-5. 7 points. Up by Jetman certified. Sena. To Tam. Pass to Brother Tam. Substitution. 12-5. Aligin and The last one. The last one. Si... Yung number 13. Cortea out. 13. Soto, Soto. And one. Alivin, Ruban, Tusena, 2 points. It's 2 points. Yeah. Oh, that's Alivin, 2 points. Yeah. Gonzalez. Look. Oh, pinto. Gavin! Okay, good evening guys, good evening. Ito, first quarter. Yung trophy, wala. Resume. Hindi ko ito mga kilala. Patulogin na lang. Did you make it?
Huh? I have one right here.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Oh, hey, resume. Ano ba ito? First quarter? Idol? First quarter. Sino ito? First day. Uy, ang ganda ng pasang yun, no? Ang ganda nun, no? Anak ng food. What a play, ah. This one, number 3. Banes. Alright. Ganda ng move yan. Miss Umali, Pastor Sena. Ang ganda, di pa nila. Ang ganda naman noon. Rebound, ang lakas ito, number 12. Lakas kumuha ng bola. Same ball. Last touch, number 21.
Don't dribble.
Rubia. Si Rubia ang nakano. Uy, check by Mr. Gavin, the reigning MVP. Okay, pass to... Ay, naman, sino yun? Nalintikan ng malaking aswang. Ito yung practice. Neryoso. Oh, kasama po yun. Talagang hindi sinasadya yan, okay? Pahensa na. Sena.
Patrick, we have 16. Patrick, we got 16. Oh, okay. I will technical issue a little bit.
Number 9.
Basta 16 ka.
Still by Mr. Khan. Umali, foul by Mr. Oh, number 9.
Earlier, no worries. Jacob, tell this kid, don't touch anything.
Who's this? Uh-huh.
Two pictures. Kumbali in the line. Anak ni Dino.
Congratulations, idol. Ano yan? Para sa'yo. Ito, oh. Ito yan. Elite ng white ko. Oh, yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Ito. Oh, salamat, oh. Salamat. Ito lang, magiging sa akin eh. Congratulations, man. Salamat, salamat.
They say line ball, line ball. Puta. Ano? Sarah fires. Oh, ganda. Rebound by Mr. J.R. Grant. J.R. harassed by number 13. Oops, foul. Number 13 foul. Galvin, patay na naman niya. Oops, a little bit shorter. Rebound by Mr. Tan. J.R. Oh, nandiyo naman yun pang my day. Who's that? Rebound by Miss number 12. Rubia. Number 9, Gonzalez. Downtown. Number 2, Gonzalez. 3-point shot. Yes, sir. Buzzer beater kayo. Oops, ang ating pudding ng Tango Mr. Rafael. Tango Mr. Jason Rafael for the puto pudding. Chess Kitchen. Baka mapakalmang ka ng malilikot ang kamay, maitago na sa sasakyan.
Wala ako dalang pangit. Ako, men. Ano tabo niya? Reyes niya. Babalik ako. Ayaw na dito.
Low. Look. Now let. Oh, traveling violation. Number 2. Okay. Aliping. 21. Pass to Kelly. Kelly number 12. Kelly. Number 11. Son. Ganda ng pasa. Number 0. Easy 2 points by Mr. Portea. Walang do. Lakas maglaro ng number 2. Lakas tumalong. Gavin, the reigning MVP. Patay na yan. Pinabayaan nyo sa ibaba. 3-point shot by Mr. Gavin Umali. Number 3, Vanes. Pass to Portelia. Number 0. Fires. Nasaan? Turnover by Mr. Kelly. Offensive foul. Wala yung 8 yung sa Chapman, yung shooter. Portea. Ay, saan? Oy! Offensive rebound. Oh, number 3. 3 seconds violation. Commit by number, I don't know. Kelly. Number 12. Looking for, foul. Number 0. Portea. Score, dead ball, 19. Gavin, pass to Tan. Pass, pangalan ko, nakalimutan. Ganda ng pasang mo. Ay, ano? Paulo, apelyido ni Paulo. Yan. Andros Andrado. Gonzales. Soto. Sa itong batang to. Naku, patay kayo. Vanes. A little bit short. Rebound by Mr. Tan. Tan. Court to court. Tan. Uy. Rebound by Mr. Rebound by Tan again. Andrada for 2. Alam ko, lalaki. Nag-aagawa ng bola. Nakasip si Andrada. Yep. Portea. Pass to Pass to San pala. San. Pass to Portea. Patay na to. Magaling na shooting, oh. Ay, sala. Pass to Malo ng Borgol. Ganyan talaga. Wala, sayang yun. Pass to... Hindi pa tinira ni Idol. Vanes. Bang. Walang bantayan. Mahusay yung number 12 nito. Taas tumalon. Who's this? Vanes. Taas tumalon yung men, ha? Baka magsangit sa... Alipig. Pass to Kelly. Andrada. Easy 2 points. Napakadali ng basketball kay Andrada. Walang jack. Semi-hook by Mr. Andrada. Portea. Setting up. Portea. Pass to number 2. Patay din, o sinagot agad. 3-point shot by si Portea. Nagpasa kay number 2. Portea pass to Gavin. Portea. Tapos rebound ni Kelly ngayon. Pass to Andrada. Andrada for 2. Andrada for 2. Kahit anong itsura ng tira, pasok. Substitution. So Kelly out, Andrada out. Kelly out. Gavin out. Sena in at saka si Tan.
Vanes in. Yun, San,
Dami nyo.
Soto. Let's go.
Okay na. Okay. Sino to? Dito ka lang. Portea, son. Uy, nawala. Oops. Turnover, son. Alipig. Aliping fires. Rebound by Isdap. Hindi ko ito kalala. Number
Soto.
13.
Soto.
Oh, Soto rin to? Oh, dalawa Soto. Rebound number 13, Soto.
Hindi, hindi.
No.
Hindi pala, sorry.
Hindi, Soto ka nakalagay. Aliping. Pass to Sena. Easy 2 points by Sena. Ah, dalawa Soto. Ito Soto ka, 13.
Oo nga, Soto.
Oo, Soto. Portella. Portella. Portella looking for, oops. Foul. Number 3 inbounding the ball. Pass to number 9. Who's that? Ay. Paano ba yan hindi nila? Yun? Soto rebound. Foul number. Oh, sa top. First try.
Soto.
Second attempt by Mr. Soto. Is missed again. Rip. Tam, pass to Sera. Sera. Uy, ang ganda ng pasak. Uy. To Mark Tan. Assist by Sena. Number 9. Number 9, pass to number 3. Number 3. Number 9. Hindi pa tinip. Try. Long. Uy! Nakalalaki. Okay. Stage. Number 3. Ayaw talaga. 31-25. Up by 6 points. 6-3. Isaiah 6-3. Aliping. Pass to Tan. Tan. Pass to Sena. Sena. Miss. Son. Pass to Yun. Oh, sana pala. Rebound by Aliping. Aliping. Paras by Portella. Pass to Tan. Tumira ng 3. Malabo. Rebound by... Quarter is done. Wala na. I throw it away. What are you doing, man? Hello. Okay. Magandang gabi ha. Last game, championship Thunders between Ginebra San Miguel and Santis. Ang Santis na hindi matamis. Okay. Okay, hindi pa man po tapos ang ating liga. Ay nagpapasalamat na ng marami ang mga commissioner. First five. Porteya. Lakas no? Walang ginawa yun. What a move. Si number 12. Ito. Oh, 2 points. Ganda na putback na. Sena harassed by Porteya. Kelly. Pass to... Wow. Jump ball. Oh, and then it would stay to 6-3. Gavin, Kelly pass to Andrada. Yari na yan. Ay. Rebound by Tito. Rubia, number 12. Porteya. Rubia. Gonzalez. What a move. Oh! Foul. Number 12. Kelly. Deason. Gonzalez. In the line. First attempt is good. 1 point. Yeah. Second attempt is no good. Rebound by Mr. J.R. Khan. Umali. Patay na yan mga idol. Ay. Wow! Ganda nung save na yun. Rebound by Mr. Panes. Pass to Porteya. Ganda nung pasahan mo. Wala yun Diyos. Sinabi na, Rubia, number 12. 2 points. Coming from the 2 boys. Porteya. Bosman, magandang gabi. Ito kami, Bosman, ha? Hindi naman, ito kayo nakadilig dito. Sena, uy! Sayang yun. Sena turnover. Score, 31-30, 1 point lead by 16. Rubia. Gonzalez, Porteya fires. Change favor, guys. 30-31. Chapman 35 up at 2 points. Kelly pass to Sena pass to Umali pass to Sena. Missed by Sena. Timeout. Isaiah 6-3. Okay, guys. 45 seconds is done. Resume the game. Alright, Sena, Khan, Andrada, Ubali, Kelly. Banes, Portea. Pas. Hindi ko lang salas, eh. Portea. Oops, Kelly. Kelly, Andrada, Sena, Dizon, Andrada. Uy! Foul number 2. Gonzalez. Kelly, Dizon, Umali. Ako, yari na yan. Oh. Portea. Ganda nun, no? Sayang lang. Foul.
Guys, I'm done. You can stop 5 minutes already.
Solo makes the first attempt. Substitution. Aliping in, Tran in, Kelly Dizon out, Andrada out, Portea out, Rubia out, Yun and San in. Soto, second is miss, rebound by Mr. Gonzalez, Yun, yeah. Yun, pass to Gonzalez. Ay, trouble na. Troubling violation by Mr. Gonzalez, number 2. Aliping. Umali. Foul. Number 9, foul. Yun. Aliping fires. Oops. Foul. Number 2. Number 2. Gonzalez. Gonzalez, yeah. Award by 2 free throws awarded. Aliping is good. First attempt is good by Mr. Aliping. Second attempt is missed. Rebound by Mr. number 2. Sino nga ito ba? Yun. Gonzalez. Son. Fires. Miss. Yan na. Sena. Umali. Patay na yan. Walang bantay. Oops. Sumala. Rebound by Mr. Son. Yes. Okay. Gonzalez. Ganda ng pick. Foul number 10. Mark. Si Mark ang foul. 2 free throw awarded to Mr. Gonzalez, number 2. First attempt is good by Mr. Gonzalez. Second attempt is good again by Mr. Gonzalez. Score 36-32, up by 4 points ang Chapman certified. Layo. Missed by Mr. Sena, rebound by Mr. Banes. Banes pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez pass to Son. Banes. Ganun, nagsiset up, mahusay. Pass to Yun. Yun. Pass to, ganda ng pasano. Yun. Yun. Tudira. Rebound by Mr. Tan. Pass to Sena. 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 Ganda ng paso. Travel lang. Sayang. Yun, number 9. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales. Uy, nakapit. Uy, hindi pa tinira ni Icon. Uy, bumawi. Si Mr. San, 11. Lumalaki na po ang agwat. Kalahating dosena po, lamang. Aliping. Aliping pass to Gavin. Gavin. Patay. Red calls black ball. Red calls black ball. Aliping fires. Okay. Rebound by Mr. Sun. Pass to Van. This is Vanes ba to? Number 3, Vanes. Stays. Vanes. Number 3. 15 seconds, guys. 10. 6 seconds. 2 seconds. At tumayo pa. 3-3 yan. Number 11, foul. Sena.
You know how many timeouts we have?
Portela aggressive. Portela. Rebound by Mr. Tan. Pass to Aliping. Oh yeah. Travel by Mr. Aliping. Still up by 6 by certified Chuck 9. Yun, ganun. Oops. Foul number 24, Andrada. Whoa. First attempt is good by Mr. number 9, Yun. Second attempt is bad. Rebound. Hindi natin yung naka-rebound. Tama tayo. Kelly Dixon. Ito si Tan. Foul. Number 12, White. Soto, I think. Oh, Rubia. First attempt is no good by Mr. Mark. Second attempt is still no good by Mr. Mark. Rebound by Mr. Mark Time. Five is good by Mr. Mark Time. Yun, pass to Portea. Portea. Ganda nun. Mr. San. Easy 2 points by Mr. Cool Guy. Mr. San, number 11. Up by 7 points. JR Tam. Pass to Alipin. Foul, number 11. San. Dizon Andrada.
It's an open sub. It's open sub. Open sub. You're right, yeah.
Rebound by Mr. San.
Slow down.
San looking for teammates. Pass to Portea. Foul by Mr. Janta. Halfway, wala kang halfway. Gonzalez, number 2, fires. No good. Rebound by Alipin. Kelly. Ay, dalawa. Aba! Alipin again. Easy 2 points by Mr. Alipin. Si Alipin din. Puro si Alipin. Uy. Oops. Foul. Foul number 4. Substitution. 1-1. Substitution. Sena in. Umali in. Time out. Kelly out. One. Alright. 1-1. Portea will shoot the ball.
Too small. That's what you get.
Miss, rebound by Alex. Swerte sa bola. Oh, good decision. Teya. Uy, nice. Steal by Mr. Galvin. Rebound by Mr. Yun, number 9. Portea. Son, Mr. Cool Guy. Rubia fires. In and out. No good. Rebound by Alipin. Alipin fires. Rebound by Mr. Alipin again. White ball. Rep says white ball. Noriel. Gisoni. Foul si ano yung Noriel. Alien, tawag ka. Okay. Sunod na ba kayo dito? Maganda. Saan? Second attempt by Mr. Portella is good. 43-36. Dison. Sena. Dison. Uy, ganda nun! Ay, talagang malas si Kelly. Kelly, malas ka talaga. Paano nyo, dalawang tier ni Kelly ganun eh? Rubia. Yun. Patay daygaan. Patay na patay. Walang bantay. Assist niya, no? Ortega. Sena. Gavin. Aliping is 2 points by Mr. Aliping. Rebound by Aliping, 2 points by Aliping. 46-38. Oh yeah, sit down. Pero hindi ito yan. One. Okay, one. Ano ba?
He's 7 years old.
Well, ito, may play na akin na bro. Nakita ko. Ano, may bro, may play. Wallet yung.
How many timeouts do we? Two, man.
Yeah, 2 more.
Two timeouts.
Nako! Potea. Gonzales. Easy 2 point. Ay, sumala. Rebound by Gavin. Sena. Ayaw talaga. Lakas na litin. Banes, number 9.
20 seconds.
Oh, shot clock. 13 seconds. 10 seconds shot. Oh. Foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Okay? Oh, wala ko lang. Ano ba? Gano'n na agad? 1-1 by Mr. Yung. Number 9. Rebound by Mr. Aliping. Pass to Kelly Dison. Magic pass. Aliping fires. Rebound by Mr. J.R. Tam.
1 minute.
1 minute. Portella. Harass by Umali. Foul by Umali. 2 shots granted for Mr. Portella, number 0. Okay. 55 seconds. Up by 7. Chapman certified. President is good by Mr. Portella. Portea's second attempt is good. 49-40. Up by 9 points.
What? Hey!
Portea rebound. Pass to Yun. Oops. Portea. Pass to Gonzalez. Isip. Sino nga ito? Si Rubia. Rubia. Rubia pass to Yun. Uy! 49-40. 23 minutes. Seconds, my bad. Kaya may picture pa. Meron pa kayong dito kayo. Check. Ganda, ganda. Kahit ako, wala ako.
Maganda na paganda.
Umbali. 5. 50-43. Uy. Seconds, 9 seconds. Gonzalez awarded by 2 points. Sponsor pa ng Walmart. Dirk! Sponsor pa ng Walmart, kaya matindi. Utang inang tindi. Wala lang dyan. Yung mga kayo, medyo wala akong ganito. Kasi sponsor pa ng Walmart.
Kita na sa hili mo. Gagawin mo na sa hili mo.
Okay. Okay guys, seconds. Okay, congratulations. Chapman certified. Okay, next, this one is the championship between Ginebra and Sanchez. Okay. Mag-aawat ka ba niya? Hindi, tayo. Okay. We're gonna have an awarding, guys, for our